So I want to look at a couple of problems here. So we have a well is 26 feet deep. A snail at the bottom climbs up 4 feet each day and slips back 2 feet each night. How many days will it take the snail to reach the top of the well? Now, we have a couple of different ways of solving this problem, but let's look at each part of this problem. So, what is the greatest height the snail reaches during the first 24 hours? So if we think about this, here's the bottom of the well. The snail goes up 4 feet, and then at night, he slips back down 2 feet. Okay, so the first 24 hours, he's up 4 feet. So the highest he reached in that first 24 hours was the 4 feet. Now, how far up the well will the snail be at the end of the first 24 hours? Well, he went up, but then he went down 2 feet. So he has a net gain of only 2 feet. Now you can think about this in terms of like a graph or a grid or anything like that. Think about, okay, here's 26 feet. You go up 4, back down 2. Up 4, back down 2. Okay? And so we have a net gain of 2 feet each time. So if we look at one plan is to divide it by 2 because we have a net gain of 2 feet and there's 26 feet. And so we would think 13 days. Well, this isn't correct. So let's draw something out, okay? So let's think about this. I'm just going to come through here. Day 1, we go up 4. And then we go down 2. So we're sitting here at 2. That's day 1. So day 2, we go up 4. So that would give us to 6. But then we go down 2. So we're at 4 feet on day 2. We go up 4. That gets us to 8. We go down 2. That brings us to 6 at the end of day 3. And we keep on doing this. So that would be 10, 8, 12, 10, 14, 12, 16, 14, 18, 16, 20, 18, 22, 20, 24, 22, 26. Now here's the question. Once I reach the top, does the snail go back down? No, he's reached the top. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, because we didn't go back down. So we actually have 12 days instead of 13 days. So what you can think about this is you can do the 26 divided by 2 and get the 13, but you have to remember that we didn't slide back down. So you need to subtract 1, and that will give you the 12 days. This is one way of looking at things. And so we were able to get this to be 12 days. And think about this one. Now the well is 39 feet deep. We go up 6. We go down 3. So what is our total net height that we actually gain on this? Well, we gain 3 feet each day. So each day the snail is going to gain 3 feet. So if we take our 39 feet and divide it by 3 feet, that's going to give us 13. But then we subtract off 1 day because remember we don't slide back down that last day. So that's going to be 12 days it takes the snail to get out. In the next video, we'll look at an additional question similar to this.